So let's do some exercises to convert mixed fractions to improper fractions. I can see you're getting super excited.
Can't help it. Math is my favorite mind game. Let's start the exercise.
Convert mixed fraction to improper fraction. Convert 3 1/2 to improper fraction. Step 1. Multiply the fraction's denominator with the whole number. Here, 2 times 3 equals 6. Step 2. Add this number to the numerator. This is the new numerator. Here, 6 plus 1 equals 7. Step 3. Denominator remains the same. Here it is 2. So the improper fraction is 7/2. Excellent! Convert 2 2/5 to improper fraction.
Thank you for watching. Enroll now. To access all 184 videos totaling 16 hours and 38 minutes, featuring introductions, examples, and exercises for grade 4 math.